The wig is complete. Gonna pull this back. You're going to start the molding process. And you're just going to get a bottle of water and spray your frontal down. Spray it down. And if you guys didn't see my frontal install video, I'm going to show you guys this. These are the tracks and this is the frontal. Notice how I did not intertwine the two. The frontal is in its own lane and the tracks are in their own lane. And what you're going to do, you're going to part this little section of your frontal and you're going to comb this over the tracks. And you're going to do that all the way across. A lot of people ask me, do I cut my tracks on all of my wigs? Yes, I do. The reason being, you're not going to make a wig, take the tracks off and create a wig, or make a wig, take the tracks off and do a sew-in. Your wig is always going to be your wig. So you're not going to have to worry about reusing these tracks. And the difference between me and a lot of people, I want a flat, pretty flat wig. I don't want a bumpy, humpy, and lumpy Humpty Dumpty wig. Just gonna pluck it very lightly, not a lot, because you want your wigs to last. You don't want to over pluck them and pluck them too natural, because what you guys have to realize is that the lace is going to shed over time, but the lace is always replaceable. Soon I'm going to do a video showing you guys how to replace the lace on a handmade wig. Please disregard that squeaking sound in the background. Those are my dogs playing. They're just like kids. I'm going to attach my plucking link below, but I'm just going to show you guys a few clips. I pluck the same exact way. This is the same technique that I use. Unless or until I change my technique, this will be the same technique, so you can always refer back to these videos. As you know, or if you don't know, my frontals come pre-plucked and natural already, so I'm not going to do that much plucking. However, my client did ask for specifically a supernatural hairline, but like I stated, I'm not going to pluck too much because over time your lace will shed, just like wear and tear naturally. It's not bad. When you see shedding, don't automatically assume that that's a bad sign. That's a good thing. All of your hair is going to shed, your weave and your natural hair. Please notice how flat my wig is laying. Yes, I cut my tracks once again. If you want your wig to come out with these same exact results, follow my steps exactly as you see them. After you finish your molding process, you're going to sit your unit under the dryer and wait until it completely dries. Your next step is going to take your paddle brush, your wig brush, or whatever you want to call it, detangling brush, and your blow dryer, your handheld blow dryer, and you're going to blow out your hair. The purpose of this process, when it comes down to curling hair, this will give your hair lots of body. The next step is going to be to press out your roots. A lot of people don't understand the purpose of the hot comb, but I just want you to pay attention and watch the results. Look at the left side and look at the right side, which is the side that I'm on right now. The purpose of this step is to allow your wig and your roots on your wig to lay down as flat as they can. This step is also necessary, and if you don't see the difference, I'm not too sure what to tell you at this point. If you're comfortable with your wig looking like this, then you don't have to press out your roots. But if you want these results, follow THEERICKAJ's steps. Okay, now that your wig is molded and it's pressed out and it's ready to be styled, my client wants curls. I blow dried the hair out, and the purpose of blow drying the hair is to give the curls more body and more volume. So what I'm gonna do is just part the hair down the middle, section it off, and we're gonna start doing the curls. What I'm gonna be using is this Babyliss Prima 3100. This is the Raw Virgin Body Wave, inches 16, 18, and 20. And it holds curls really nice and it curls really easily. But since she's moving out of town, I want to make sure the curls are super secured, which is why I'm going to pin them. So when she gets it, all she has to do is just literally put the wig on and take the pins out. I make my wig according to how you want your hair. Your wish is my command. I have a curling video. Same exact curls that I'm going to be doing. I have about 2 or 3 tutorials showing that. So I'm going to attach the link below for that. And I'm just going to pin the curl and then continue to curl the rest of the head.